very boring day.
It is high time to go to the supermarket. I've made a shopping list for you. Who wants to help me?
I want. And me.
Well done, my darlings.
In the huge supermarket.
We have 5 things in the list. To make the shopping even more interesting, Vlad and Nikita decided to make a competition and get to know who will find more products from the list. Be more attentive and faster, and you will have more products.
We were playing with Nikki when Mommy came in.
Kids, you were so nice and helped us so much that we decided to prepare you a surprise.
What surprise, Mommy?
We decided to buy new toys for you.
Hooray!
Let's go to the kids' supermarket with toys. On our way, we will make the shopping list.
I want.
We have 5 things in the list.
Buy only things that we need.
Jester's cap.
Such a variety of goods.
Superheroes comic books.
Do we need this? The most important thing is not to forget anything.
basketball.
I have nice helpers. The most important
Fire
thing
engine.
is not to forget anything. Well,
Toy
the
crane.
most important thing is not to forget anything.
Toy crane.
You are the best. You are the best.
Jester's cap.
Such a comfortable trolley.
Pay for your goods, please. Vlad has 1 product, 2 products, 3 products, 4 products. Nikita failed to find something from the list.
What attraction do you want to visit today?
If you want to buy a full version of the game with bonuses and without ads, if you want to buy a full version of the game with bonuses and
What
without
attraction?
Yes!
Aha!
I want.